If you are looking for a best budget headphone under 500 rupees, here is the one, the UBON UB-1250, and in this video we'll be doing a quick unboxing and review of this headphone, and it says body bass, so it's a very good headphone with a good bass, but it cannot be compared with the JBL or the Bose headphones, but still under this price segment this is gonna be a best purchase. And this is the box that actually we get, and so this is a red one as shown in the box, but I brought the black one. So without wasting much time, let's have a look at the box. I have already said it's the red one, and it's made by UBON, and it's completely made in China, but still it's a good product. And as you can see, and I brought this from a retail store, and it's priced at 500, below 500 rupees. So let's do the unboxing. And inside the box, just the headphone and the 3.5 mm cable. So glad to see that they are bundling the cable with the box itself. And let's have a look at the headphone. So before that, let me just show you the cable, and the quality of the cable is looking pretty good. And so you can see both sides are 3.5 mm, and here is the headphone, and it's a foldable type one. And let me just adjust the focus, and let me just increase the exposure so that you could see the headphone much better. So that's it, and it is completely made from plastic, but still the quality looks better. And the foldable option is a very good option, because you can carry this headphone in your bag, and says it's all about you and all about quality. And you can adjust the headphone speakers right from there. It will automatically adjust according to your ears. And the cushion also are made from good quality products. And here we get a two 3.5 jack, so that you can connect this cable to any of this jack and play music. And this cable can also be used to connect your phone to any home theater or any other audio system. And the quality of this cable is found to be nice considering the price, and because this one is priced under 500 rupees. And both sides are 3.5 mm cable, so that's very interesting. And let me just go back to the headphone right now. So I tested the audio quality of this headphone. The audio was good, bass was there, treble was there. And one of the pros of this headphone is the foldable option, and one of the con of this headphone is there is no microphone in this headphone. That's it. That was a quick review of this UBON headphone. So if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and do subscribe.